Welcome to North American Adventures. I'm Jordan. Today we're going to be filling up the Honda Adventure Mobile to get ready to go to the East Coast. We're headed to Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. This should be quick, easy, and fun to do. Okay, all the Adventure Mobile is getting stocked and packed as we speak. As you guys can see, we got that underbed storage currently being filled up, toiletries, condiments, which is weird, and also cleaning supplies in this one, Maine food and extra food in this one. Be rationing out some oatmeal soon. Over here we have some exercise equipment, extra cans, the Jackery bags. Oh yeah, and all our types of bags up here hanging that have to go in as well. Here's the mobile kitchen, thoroughly washed and ready to go. Over here we got the fridge, also cleaned out as it was getting pretty rank. Fans and space heater, pump jump kit and grill are over there. So we're just gonna steadily chug away at this. Should be done with all the stocking of the food here shortly, and I'm gonna bring the mattress down and put that topper back on. Let's do it. We got tuna, chicken salad, pasta, corn, soups, sauce, spices, oatmeal. Did I mention pasta? And we also have extra bars and extra protein snacks in here. This one is good to go. Okay, toiletries and condiments, cleaning supplies are set. Toilet paper, wipes, I forget what that is right there. Plastic bags, air freshener, paper towel like I said, condiments, extra Pam, containers, all the good stuff. Done. Snack box is good to go. Dried mango, beef jerky, protein bars, breakfast bars, fruit snacks, Rice Krispies, mixed nuts, bark thins, and it's starting to rain. I gotta get this in. Rain is still going, y'all, but things are looking good. All this is ready to go into the car. I'm just working on kitchen stuff. Ding, 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 ding. Kitchen box done. Snack box, done. Toiletry box, done. Food box, done. Can I pick my spot, excuse me, and fill the car up? We shall see. The Honda is pseudo-packed. Still gotta fill the fridge and put a couple more things in here. Fill the top box with our clothes and a couple other bags, extra things like propane and such, which actually is over there. Ding, ding, ding. But yeah, everything is pretty much ready to go. Love the way it's looking. Excited to get out to the East Coast here and do some exploring. Bed's all set up. The Honda is packed and we are ready to go. Hey y'all, you join us now in Maine. We are in Acadia National Park. The last time you saw me, I was packing up the car, getting ready for our adventure out here on the East Coast. And so now we're gonna go through what the car looks like when we are driving, and then we're gonna get it ready to sleep. We're gonna pull some things out of the top box, sort of set up our pantry, which is up front, and yeah, just get situated so you guys can take a look at what this all looks like now that we have things.
Genius. Snack box.
So the fridge right here, AC/DC current fridge, is plugged in to the cigarette outlet over here. 2.5 volts or something, I don't know. This is gonna go up front. Normally this water container is in the back, but last night, like a bunch of donuts, well, really just me, I broke it. So you can see it's plugged with an earplug right now, which is nice, but now we have it wedged and it's very sketchy.
Yes.
This is gonna go in the front on my seat. you guys can see, everything is off the bed. This is how it will look when we sleep. Obviously, we haven't set up our DVD player yet. It's a little bit soon for all that. But it will go right here. Heads go here, obviously, is where the pillows are. Nice blanket, and then we have our sleeping bag stowed away underneath. So let me close the doors and you guys can see it's gonna get real dark. Can keep filming from there. Okay, as you guys can see, it gets awful dark in here.
Nice and cozy even during the day.
Yep, makes it really, really nice. And the Tempur-Pedic mattress underneath is an added bonus. Our pantry is now up front. As you can see, water's over there. Fridge, snack box, extra battery, Jackery right here. Very hard to see. Chips, groceries, and protein powder. When ready to cook, this stuff always comes out. The grill, fold-up table, and little kitchen box. In here we have more pots, pans, oil and cleaning supplies. Obviously fans. Here we got some little chairs as well. To the right, that's all the stuff that we had gone through before. Like I said, extra cleaning supplies, toiletries and such. And then on the left side, here's our extra sleeping bag, by the way. Left side, we have all our extra food, and then far over here, cords, etc. Perfect. We need fresh clothes. Hot box it is. It can definitely be hard to make the space provided by the Honda Pilot work for 2 people, but if you stick to a process and do the same thing each time, it can be done.